Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 2 of the trip. You excited to go for a ride? Yes? You're gonna ride with Daddy again for a couple hours. Holy crap, boys and girls. We are down in Imperial, California right now. This is Vivian's hometown. This place is hot. Whenever I complain about the heat up in Sacramento, oh, we're good. Vivian always tells me, you don't know real heat. It's February here, and it's 80 degrees at 10 in the morning. Dude, I really wish I would have put the stock downpipe on before this trip. This thing with an aftermarket downpipe is a drone machine. And Ranger Ramirez, if you're watching this, dude, you were totally right. He warned me about this. Ranger owns the company called Elite Tuner. You know, they do those humongous car shows around the country. He told me that he put an aftermarket downpipe on, and it was like ridiculously loud to the point where he couldn't even concentrate. And his wife hated it and so on. So he actually put back the stock downpipe. I don't know, man. This is the first time I've actually taken this on like a long road trip with this aftermarket downpipe, which is crazy because I've had this on for like 7 or 8 months. I've been telling Vivian that, hey, listen, like anything over 3,000 RPM, so that's about 75 miles an hour, is a no-go for me. Just because it's ridiculously loud. So I'll show you right now. This is 71 miles an hour. And Vivian, I just finally caught up to her. For like 10 minutes, I was behind her. Babe, I'm serious. Like anything over 77, 78 miles an hour is like, I'm just not doing it.
Cameron, I'm going 70.
Yes, but for a while you were ahead of me and you were like, you weren't slowing down. Let me just take it. Dude, 81 miles an hour. You hear how loud that is? Like, I'm not doing that all day. I'm just not. The GoPro probably doesn't do it justice. Oh, dude, 74 is so much better. You can actually hear me talk, huh? Yes, good girl, Charlie Warley. Good girl. We're about to cross the border into Arizona, and I was thinking to myself, this should honestly just be Arizona. Like, why is this California? How did I really wonder how they went about establishing state lines, state boundaries. Look at this. Me and Vivian have only driven through here together one time, and that was at night. But she was pointing out here and talking about the sand dunes. I mean, this is like literally the desert. This is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. We're here in Yuma, Arizona. Gas, like literally right when you cross the border, Vivian's gas went down more than $1, and yeah, that's about $1 less than it was in California for 91. Vivian was frustrated because Cleo was like acting a fool. She figured she had to use the bathroom, so we have a little portable litter box.
She's being so bad.
Did she poop or pee?
I don't know. I didn't know.
All right, Cleo, you bad cat. You very bad cat.
The car is gonna smell like shit.
It's okay. She's our kitty. She's our little baby. Me and Vivian got split up. I haven't even talked to her, but we went to a gas station 30 minutes ago. And then when we left, we both exited and went the same way down the street. My GPS said I was going the right way, like I was following my GPS. So I figured hers was the same exact thing. And then like a minute down the street, I see her pass me, going the opposite direction. I'm on this 2-lane road. There's like nowhere to pull off. So I've been trying for like the first 15-20 minutes I was on this road. I was trying to find a spot where I could turn around safely, but it's like we're dirt biking. I mean, we're going up and down, up and down. We're on a roller coaster here. So yeah, Vivian just texted me. She said, babe, where are you? And I'm having some Apple CarPlay connectivity issues, which is wonderful. There's always something, man. There's always something. Like this asshole in front of me. I'm gonna pass this bag. Am I good? Oh, I guess that guy's gonna go. Yeah, smart idea, you prick. That's why I waited. What a wad. "25 miles, stay on Maricopa Road." Awesome, dude. Am I clear? Nope. Dude, that piece of shit Kia was on my ass the whole f***ing time. And then he passes us, and he's only a few bus lengths ahead. Just holding it right there. That makes a lot of sense. Get the f*** out of the way, dude. "45 miles an hour, my ass, man." I have not been getting enough sleep, guys. I slept like last night. Not enough sleep, haven't been working out. I'm just very irritable. Just got a call from the loan officer. He just sent me a document I need to sign, like ASAP, in order for us to close on the 16th, which is the day that we are arriving at the house. So, nice. We're still on like Pacific Coast time zone, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe we crossed over, I don't freaking know, guys. On move-in day, obviously I'll be recording, you know, our first impressions and pulling up to the house and all that type of stuff. And then maybe we'll do a live stream the day after, and you guys can ask questions and I can tell you about our purchasing experience and all type of stuff. It's been, dude, I can't believe I pulled this off, but here we are. Everything about this whole entire PCS has been last minute, like by the skin of my teeth. I just make it happen. I do not take no for an answer. Almost everybody told me that I would not get that assignment back, and I said, F that. I applied for that assignment, they selected me. Bull it. I'm a little worked up, guys. I'm gonna stop recording for a bit. I think I'm finally getting on the goddamn highway. Four-way stop. Alright, my turn, bitch. What are you doing, bud? With your Air Force sticker on your truck? Terrible shifts, but I don't give a shift right now.
Who would you like to call?
Vivian.
Calling Vivian.
I just got on the highway. What's your ETA right now?
8:47.
Okay, mine's 9:01. That means I'm, what is that, 14 minutes behind you? How fast are you going?
70.
Okay, well, if you're going 70 and I'm going 80, it'll take me like an hour and a half to catch up to you.
Yeah, I'm in like the farthest right lane. I'm going as slow as I can, but everybody's fucking passing me and honking at me.
Imagine what that was like driving without a fifth gear when I drove the Cobra back home.
Find the big yellow semi.
Okay.
I'm right in front of.
And that's when things went from bad to worse.
This rest area is where we stop to take pictures with the BRZ.
Holy shit, you're right. Hey, that was really good timing on the walkie-talkie because I started filming like a minute and a half ago. How does it go from all those beautiful rocks to just dead grass?
This is all we're going to be looking at till we get past Texas.
Are you listening to country right now?
I like it. And I sing really well to it.
don't know, guys. Do we like your hair or not?
You suck.
Yes, I like your hair. You got a little Ursula scrunchie. Ursula!
You said last time that
George up the
you wanted me to wear my hair up in a ponytail with a scrunchie.
Yeah, I like it. There it is.
Acknowledge me.
It's fan service right there, or husband service, or whatever it is. So, I was gonna put day 2 and 3 in one video, but day 2 was the worst experience either of us have ever had in a road trip.
Yeah, yesterday sucked. And we're both sick.
So, I stopped filming after I got back onto the highway. Vivian was so far ahead of me that she just had to pull over. And even after she pulled over, me going 80 miles an hour took me like 20-25 minutes to catch up to her. During that time, Charlie woke up from her nap, and all of a sudden, she threw up, and Charlie was in my passenger seat in the Type R. All the bad moods were going on. It was not pretty. Obviously, it's not Charlie's fault, but that was like it for me. I could not film the rest of the day. It was a bad day. On top of that, Vivian had a fever, and she's sick. What else went wrong yesterday?
You ate too much fiber?
Yeah, I had like 8 of these little Fiber One brownie things, and
It screwed up your stomach.
yeah. After that, me and Vivian just like could not get along. We're just like, okay, we just need to end today and just try again tomorrow.
Well, I think by the time we got back to the hotel, we were both very sick. We were both exhausted. We hadn't eaten.
Yeah, so we ordered pizza. The pizza was
Awful.
It was terrible. We just couldn't have one good thing happen yesterday.
Today's only 7-hour drive, so 8 with all the stops, right?
Yeah, we're in El Paso right now. We're going to San Antonio tonight. So there's gonna be quite a delay from like what we're doing to when you guys are seeing it. We're gonna get to San Antonio and just chill out. Maybe go in the hot tub. I don't freaking know.
Ew, no. I want to just sleep.
Hotel hot tub. What's cleaner than that? No? Okay. On top of that, now I see why this hotel charges a $75 non-refundable pet fee. Because of that little girl right there. Cleo? She is a mischievous cat. No, you don't want to be on there, Cleo. That's gross. We just gotta... Okay. Well, we may never see our cat again. I have to end this video right here. There's another huge issue that we noticed last night when we were sitting in bed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna... Yeah, you guys need to wait till next video. Sorry, cliffhanger, but...
We are
another
idiots.
huge, stupid mistake that I made on the most basic level. I'll see you guys in the next video.